better way to kick off the start of Black History Month than a live performance of the brand new show, Bronzeville the Musical. It's coming to the Chicago Theater one day. One day, you got to get these tickets, February 27th.
The words, the music, and choreography of this production reflect the laughter, tears, and struggles of the many African Americans who moved to Chicago during the Great Migration from the South. So joining us this morning are cast members DeAndre Brown, who's standing next to us, who plays a Pullman porter, Brianna Morris, who plays a Pullman maid, vocalist Noreen Stark, and on keyboards is Timothy Walker. And there's also a chorus. Y'all got everybody up this morning.
Yes, we got everybody here this morning.
So tell us about the play, what it's about, what people will see.
Well, Bronzeville the Musical is produced by the Motti Theater Company, which presents an original work, okay? And this original written musical tells the great story, like you said, of the Great Migration of African Americans from the rural South here up north, looking for better job opportunities, you know, education, things of that sort, because it's better here than it was down there. And we have a phenomenal cast. We have beautiful and wonderful names in this production, such as Billie Holiday, who is an American jazz singer.
Yes.
We have Lorraine Hansberry, who is a prolific writer. And then from there, we have the porter worker, we have the Pullman maids, we have the great chorus, and our pianist, and our great guy here, Mr. Tim.
And you're on the stage at the Chicago Theater.
So it's only one night. Are we going to be able to see this somewhere else as well? Are you going to take this on tour? What's going on with that?
Yes, we're going to take it on tour. It's definitely going on tour. February 27th is our only premiere for that one night. But then after then, we will make sure that we notify everybody when the production actually takes off and heads on tour. To a city near
And I love it because the song you're going to sing is about a train going along. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Bump Goes the Train tells the story of the Pullman workers who actually took the time to work on these trains, tending to the passengers, doing what they have to do, you know, making the beds, shining the shoes, getting food, things of that sort. And this journey on this train brought everyone to Chicago. And once they got to Chicago, they decided to coin this magnificent city and build it from the ground up. So that's basically what Bump Goes the Train is. We're on a mission, we're on a journey, we're headed to Chicago.
All right, well, we're going to let you sing it. Don't forget to head on over to the Chicago Theater, chicagotheater.com. You can reserve your seats for the world premiere of Bronzeville the Musical. It happens February 27th, one night only. Take it away, guys.
As a porter worker, I would spend my day non-stop on a moving train in Chicago. I carried suitcases, I ran errands, I politely greeted countless passengers, even the rude ones. I made the beds, I shined the white man's shoes, I even served the white patrons their coffee, tea, and meals on that train. If we're lucky, we'll get 4 hours of sleep tonight.
I am expected to be able to give manicures, dress hair, assist ladies with the bath, and assist with the small children. Now, I have some nursing skills, and passengers, they might call on me for things like that. It was a difficult task, but I worked for little. Bump goes the train. Bump goes the train. Yeah, we're moving, y'all. Bump goes the train. Hey, we're moving to Chicago. Bump goes the train. Hey, we're on the train, y'all.
Works in the air.
We're bumping. Hey, we're bumping now, y'all.
Bump goes the train.
See, I'm your maid. Hey, and I shine your shoes.
Works in the air.
Bump
goes the train.
Yeah, and I do your hair, girl.
Bump goes the train.
And I even do your manicures, y'all.
Bump goes the train.
Hey, I do your nails.
Works in the air.
Ooh.